I am extremely high risk. My immune system is compromised. So in general, I don't normally go out a lot to have my upkeep done. I've learned over the years to do it myself. So for my eyebrows, if I need to clean it up a little bit, I use this little gadget here. This is from, I believe their name is Flawless. You see it on the I seen on TV thing. It's in the Walmart section, and I seen on TV in the Walmart section. So I use this to clean them up if I need to clean them up. Pomade. I don't know how to use temperature. My favorite eyebrow pencil really is the Precisely My Brow from Benefit, but I am out. This is empty. Quarantine has just been lifted. I was hoping that I would be able to travel to Florida to pick up all of my stuff that's piling up there, but the Rona has taken over South Florida. Like I said, I'm high risk. I own to Florida for no makeup jack. I'm good. I know that my camera sometimes gets dark when if I have objects too close. She don't want to do it now. She's trying to make me have to be a liar. She's trying to make me have to be a liar. I don't like this camera. The next thing I can change is when I can get to Florida. Just brushing it up some more. See if there are any wayward hairs still sticking out. Made it catch. I don't pluck my eyebrows. It's painful. And I understand it also stunts the growth. I'm not one who wears who has to have a full face of makeup or any makeup on all of the time. I find too, doing my eyebrows, I get it done much better if I do it inside my bathroom at my vanity. Seems like the lighting in there is better, or my eyebrows just like being in there better. I don't know which it is. I put a little bit on the back of my hands, but I also put some directly underneath my brows. And I'm gonna take my flat concealer brush. You can use any concealer brush. I love this brush. I've had this brush for so long, it keeps popping out, and every time it pops out, my husband is just put some glue, push it right back in, which is going to be the Laura Mercier Secret Concealer for under eyes, but I use that. Routine video done turned into a 30-minute clip. Okay, so this is how they look with both of them done. Like I say, this one here, this is the one that I get the most issues from, but the general shape looks kind of okay. Like I say, it's not an eyebrow tutorial. I just wanted to show you how you can use stencils if you are struggling like me to draw out the shape, map out your shape, and then you'll be able to at least have it somewhat done. She ain't shaved nothing. This would be hella funny. She ain't shaved nothing like the other one. They first cousins right now, maybe third cousins. But anyway, if you guys not if you enjoyed it, thank you guys so much for watching how I do my eyebrows with my stencils. On my next video, bye.